And I want to go back to Milan on that. Milan, a quick question on this as well, that this appears to have triggered something, that there may have been tensions, perhaps a usual factor in families on how to have the future then charted out. But for a father to go to the village and come back, why is this angle being explored by the cops? And because a question that many people have asked, you're living in Gurugram, a cosmopolitan city, why would you get so triggered and concerned by some villager or relative taunting you about the daughter? Why wouldn't you take a stand as a father?
Pooja, the question of reputation answers that because, the reputation of the family is foremost and most important in most of these cases. Although, the questioning of the father will go on, but prima facie, it feels that the father was thinking that all this that the girl is doing is ending up ruining his honor or reputation in the society, in, the community. And of course, the girl wanted to go abroad. It is clear from the chats. There's a chat between her and her coach, and she says, I've already spoken to my father, and he has refused to let me go. And there are a lot of restrictions, and I can't come abroad. I'm trying. These could be crucial details that could have led to an altercation. We don't want to make conjectures at this point, as you said, and which is why we'll wait for the official or source version from the police investigation agencies. But clearly the post-mortem report there is not a conjecture. It shows that the father shot the daughter from the front, and there are 4 bullet marks on the chest, as opposed to the earlier statements that were coming forward where it was said that the bullets were fired in the back and the lower back.